So today we're gonna do a soccer vlog. It's me, Nicholas, and Luke versus Jaden.
Take a little two-step.
Wrong
Wrong goal.
Wait, switch goal. Oh my God, you could have said something.
We did.
We did twice.
Alex even said it.
We both said it. All of us said it. Except for him.
Fine.
Yo, Luke's back there like, they switch goals. He was like, they switch goals. Don't do it this close. Good.
No, let it go.
Come on then.
No.
Okay. That's gone?
No.
We don't talk about that. That never happened. Now I know what you're talking about. I got this unlocked. They ain't scoring on me. No more. I don't think anyways. I hope. I hope. You're so uncertain about yourself. Psycho!
That hit right there.
Yeah, and then it bounced out. So it was never here.
That was good. That was a goal. Run.
Boy, you both missed it though. Kick it. You won't.
That's the ball.
That's
No,
not.
grass. Grass.
It's all in the grass. Right here. You know that hurt. You know that hurt because he's under water. It didn't hurt down there, but it hurt up here.
Dang.
You not smart. You not smart.
All right.
Get him. Get him.
Thanks for the lane.
Yeah.
We know that. Yeah.
Nope.
Captain, out here.
Hey, Dur. I don't know what you're trying to do getting in over here. It ain't gonna happen.
Our ball.
No, it is their ball though. I got that out.
You're right here.
Right there. How am I gonna block this? They should have thrown it up the grass. I'm like, that's a goal. No, that's a goal too.
Goal. Oh! 3-3.
Nice.
Race. Oh God.
Yo, y'all ready? You better back up. Wait for this car though. Wait for the car though. Yo, stay pulling to here.
You put it there.
Yo, now they gotta switch goals too. We can go back to this one, right? Yeah, we'll go back to here. Alright?
Wow.
Boy, that was the goal.
Hold on,
That was the whole point of me doing that. So y'all would back up. And he did nothing. Yeah, they're there and we're here back. We're back.
It's not sunny. Do you not see the shade? Don't be so far. All right. No, go back over there. Stop
Well, that
cheating.
ain't even
I don't
the
count.
goal. You just
Go back
got it
over
out.
there, Luke.
Back to
There's
us.
something called striker. Here, Luke, you want to wear my hat? Yeah. Just give it to me. I'll run. Guys, this is the most boring
Go
part
on,
of
he's going
soccer.
next. Go.
The most boring part of soccer, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I had to witness this. Let's go. All right, we're
Go.
ready. Wait till you put the hat on. Stop cheating. Scoot.
There's something called striker.
Yo, when you
Okay, hi. I don't have a YouTube channel.
That ain't even our goal, though. That ain't even our goal.
You what? You switched yours. They keep on switching.
No, we announced that we moved it back twice.
No, you did not.
Yes, we did. While you were over there having your hat trade, I was like, all right, we moved the goal back.
You didn't say nothing. Yes, we
Boy.
did. Not to us.
That lie detector test. Let's go, broke Walmart
No, 4-4. 4-4 round.
Alright, so fast forward. I'm gonna try to edit this out.
Put your ugly face out the camera.
Oh, you guys still there?
I'm back. Wait.
It's 4-4. Give it to him.
I jump back in.
No, you don't gotta go over there. Stop cheating, Alex.
Is there
Stop
recording?
cheating.
Is there recording? Yeah, it's recording. Okay, let's get it. I'm back. Career.
We were never here.
days.
We were never
back.
here.
Let's go.
We were never here.
Yeah, I won.
No, you were
I
never
scored the
here.
first goal.
You were never here.
I scored the first
Boy,
goal.
you were never in
I scored the other 3.
Then I scored the first goal.
Separate video. Peace out, guys. Signature sign out. Alright, so basically, I'm going to show you how to make a quarterback any other position. That's not my dog. It's just that weird photo that Xbox gave me. And, where did this thing go? Oh, great, my membership. I'll do that later. Memory unit. Reload. Alright. So, of course, alright. So we're going to do another kick returning with quarterbacks video. You gotta hurry up. You don't have to check the rosters. Free agency hasn't even started. I don't care. All these rosters coming out. Alright. Then you go to manage players. Go to All NFL. Quarterback, of course. Slow. A 98 overall Ben Roethlisberger. Nope, I don't think so. Alright, and of course we're not doing Marcus Mariota again. I know. Tyrod Taylor. Russell Wilson. Who's that Lucas? Right, so I'm going to do it with fan favorite Russell Wilson. Or the edit player. I'm straight up. Then you go to running back, whatever you want to do. Running back, wide receiver, quarterback. Back out. Save player. And why is Russell Wilson still? Madden, can you help me out here? Save it. I have got to save my roster then. What? Madden, is Madden trying to just give me problems here? Alright. Oh, come on, man. Wide receiver, maybe? Oh, I know why. Alright, so we're going to have to get a free agent for the Seahawks here. Because Madden is just so advanced. I thought that was LeBron Landry. 86 overall. Alright. Christian Ponder, yeah, whatever. Yup. Alright. Save all. Yes. Where is it? Alright. So, now you go to manage players. Seahawks, of course. No, that's yours. Well, great. Now Christian Ponder's on the Seahawks. No. Hunter. Thank you, finally. Thank you. Tavares Jackson is the starting. Tavares Jackson is the starting Seahawks quarterback. That's when you know things are going bad. Practice, of course. Kick off. Alright. Of course you know my Bengals are 90 overall. I mean, right? It was luck, Denver, okay? Alright. Random. 1, 2. Oh my gosh. 3. Alright, against Marcus Mariota. But, you know, I'll throw. First intro ever, I know. I know what the slot. Larry Fitzgerald is not the slot receiver for the Cardinals. The slot receiver is a fast receiver, and he's usually lined up between the outside receiver and the tight end, or whatever, or the lineman, whatever. Man, hurry up, man. Alright, go to game options, depth chart. You go down to kick return, Tyler Lockett, you're out, 99 overall, as much as that pains me. It's 75 overall, wow, that's really not bad. Alright, holding down the Y. Alright, you press Y for fair catch. That was Alright, now Russell Wilson is in here. That was a late fair catch, I know. Doug Baldwin, what are you doing? You're not going to receive the kick. Ooh. Oh, man, that would have been. Sorry about that. Alright. Timer started 1 play late. Just for that, last 5 seconds don't count. Oh, he's already. Oh, come on. Use your speed, Russell. That was a touchdown. Last 10 seconds don't count. Doug Baldwin, get in front. How are you going to block front when you're behind me? Does that make any sense? No, it does not. Get in. Oh my gosh. You're not the kick returner, Doug Baldwin. Somebody explain this to Doug Baldwin. Oh, come on, spin. And Russell Wilson cannot break a tackle to save his life. Why is Doug Baldwin still behind me? Oh my gosh. Russell, you're so slow. Yeah, I probably should have done this with Terrell Pryor. Yep, I'm an idiot, I know. Alright, go step. You're getting there too fast. Seahawks are one of the fastest teams. And why is Doug Baldwin always behind me? And I was trying to juke him out, but not really juke him. But apparently Madden is so realistic that happens. Oh, come on, spin! When I was talking about that, I was talking about when Russell Wilson went up to get the kick return. And then Doug Baldwin just moved his shoulder awkwardly. Yes, go, 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 go. He's gone. He's gone. Oh, come on. Cody Sensabaugh, you ruined the party. Cody. And I used to have you in my... So, this is going swell. Yeah, totally. Oh, no, that was a wasted spin. Man, Russell Wilson has tons of stamina, though. About 3 minutes in. The Titans are too fast. It's weird that I'm saying this, but why the Titans? I mean, the Titans... Oh, I was trying to put a move on him, but Wesley Woodyard ruined the day. Great job, Wesley. This is a YouTube video. Smile for the camera. Cheese. Oh. Y'all saw what I was trying to do there. But he was behind the block. But he still tackled me. Oh, yes. Yes. No. No, Russell Wilson's not fast enough. You know, y'all heard that. And Doug Baldwin, get a block. Alright, I'm releasing Doug. I'm releasing. Doug is just such a bad blocker. And you're trying to receive the kick, of course. Trying to be like, oh, got him! How is Anthony Fasano faster than Russell Wilson? Does that make any sense, Madden? Anthony Fasano is a tight end. A tight end. And you're saying that he's faster than Russell Wilson. One of the fastest QBs in the NFL. Madden makes no sense. Hit the like button if Madden makes no sense. Ah, yes! No! Spin! Russell Wilson cannot break a tackle to save his life. Oh my God. Russell Wilson needs some milk. Video. Sorry about that, but Doug Baldwin is like the worst blocker. My blocker is tilted over. And I just ran into... That might be cheating. The Titans probably have like 50 players ready to tackle poor Russell Wilson. Poor Russell Wilson. Yeah! Go! Finally! Alright, that's one more reason why Madden makes no sense. Russell Wilson just teleported through Anthony Fasano again. Yay. Finally, Baldwin's actually an okay block. This man. That was a corner, too. You let a corner. Doug Baldwin, you have speed. I know that. Yep. Russell Wilson. Come on, man. Do it for Romo. Do it for you people watching this at home. Or wherever you're watching this at. On the road, hotel, wherever, doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use a Baldwin now. Oh, who's got Jamarcos? Whatever his name is. Yes, Doug Baldwin, alright. Now. Oh! This man just plows over people. The best, Russell. Dangerous. Become dangerous. We need this man to break out his old danger. Oh, stay up. That was green. And that one. No, don't go back. Oh, he's still going. Oh, great. Number 2. So many chances. Great, Russell Wilson. These people are just wrapping up. Russell Wilson, get speed. Please just get speed. Oh, no. There. Oh. I got one player with the juke, but apparently they just don't like me getting a touchdown. No. Great, now it's a touchback. At least that makes up for the first attempt. Alright, that makes up for the first attempt. Oh, great. These linebackers. It's like all the linebackers, tight ends, and corners are tackling. Where's the safeties? Come on. Derek Coleman, get a block upfield. Oh, go, help him over. Man, become dangerous. Wilson, you're dangerous. All right. Dangerous. Come on, dangerous. You're dangerous. Come on, hurry up. Become dangerous again. All right. Hurry up. Oh. Derek Coleman, get the block. Derek Coleman just. Oh my God, Derek Coleman. And I couldn't switch over. Oh, dangerous. Go. Please, Russell Wilson. No, Russell. No. Yes, Russell. Thank you. 33-something seconds remaining. Thank the Lord. And so, this is another edition of Kick Returning with the Quarterbacks. Thanks, Russell Wilson. You're dangerous. All right. Final photo. Yeah. They're chasing him like he's a celebrity or something. And he's just like running for his life. Alright, but it's not enough time to make this into a Vine, but whatever, but signing out. Yeah, basically, whatever. But peace out. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic videos, and I'm out. Don't be cool. Be a jerk. Junior educated rich kid. Constipated, overrated, out of style loser. Bye.